Welcome to the video. I think logo we should not keep like favicon. We'll have to create a logo. To create a logo, we can go to Canva and we can type our logo. If your domain name starts with M or whatever logo you want to create, that's up to you. After login to the Canva Pro, we can click on design we like. Then like this, I'll create for training purpose only. I'll delete this. Okay, great. Okay, I'll make it a little bigger. Here it's okay. Then again, this is in square size, so we'll click on magic switch and custom size, then 150 by 60. We'll click to continue, copy and resize, open a new tab, and here we are. Now we'll select the R symbol and this option, we'll make it bigger. Okay. Now we'll export this PNG and transparent background. Great. Now we'll go to our logo upload option, change logo. Logo PNG. We'll upload this logo and skip cropping. Also we'll select retina logo. Okay. The square logo was like little bit messy. Right now we can say okay, great. Now the site is looking good. After that, we'll in the dashboard, we'll come here, then we'll finish Yoast SEO setup. Okay. Start data optimization. It is done. Then we'll click file editor. There is no robot text file, so we'll create robot text file. It's created. We'll save it. We'll click save on this htaccess. We'll go to setting, site basics, reflip, alternate name reflip, blog, organic products, lifestyle. We can keep tagline, we can keep like this, and site image. As of now, we'll keep the square image and save changes. Use tracking now. Saved successfully. Then site representation, the name will be reflip, alternate name. Logo will keep square one and save. If you have Facebook or Twitter or other Pinterest, other social media accounts, just add the URL here. Okay. Now we have to connect Google, but Google we cannot connect when our site is in maintenance mode. We have to disable maintenance mode. So this we'll do later. Now other things we have to check out. Posts. So this is the main part. Meta description. If some pages we do not optimize, or if some post we don't optimize, then meta description will not come properly. It will be very difficult for the crawlers to understand. So if we put excerpt percentage, okay, type along with me XML-RPC this. So this is meta description. If we do not put using SEO plugin, then meta description will be automatically cached by Yoast SEO plugin. Save pages.